Hello friends at home. In this video I will be doing today's math lesson with you. We started the video a moment ago and then for some reason our camera cut out and stopped recording, so we are starting again. We are on page 139 and we are looking at the using a model explanation here. I had the friends circle 9 bluebirds. It said there were 9 bluebirds. They circled that some of those bluebirds fly away, and then they circled there are 5 left. So we were discussing the fact that what that means in an equation would be 9 birds take away some number we don't know would give us the 5 that are left over. So it says we can use this bar model, which is kind of a oh, someone's humming in here. Give me 1 second, friends at home. Who is that that's humming? Okay, Noah, let's stop humming, okay? All right. It's kind of like the part whole model, right? So we know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all together. And we know that some of them, 5 of them, are left over once this number we don't know flies away. So if we connect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what's left here will be the other part, and that will give us the missing number. So how many are left there, Serafina?
4.
4. So our missing number here is 4. So it says you can solve by adding or subtracting. So we could say 5 plus what number equals 9, which we decided was 4. Or we could say 9 take away some number equals 5. We decided it was 4. So there are 4 birds that fly away. So that one, there's no work for you to do. That's more just to make sure you're understanding how we're solving these problems. So go ahead now, friends, and turn the page. And at the top of page 140, it says practice and draw circles to help. It says write an addition or subtraction sentence. So let's take a look here. Who would like to read number 1 nice and loud for us? Okay, Faith, read it loud so they can hear you at home too.
Alex has 10 paintbrushes.
Everybody circle 10 paintbrushes.
She
washes
5 paintbrushes.
Everybody circle 5. And now we're going to underline. Go ahead.
How many more paintbrushes does she need to wash?
Fantastic. Nice reading. All right. So we know there's 10 altogether. So let's draw 10 circles across the top here. You can just do it quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each of those circles represents one of the paintbrushes that she has so far. Mateo, I need you to sit down, darling. Yep. All right. So these are her paintbrushes, and she's washing them. How many has she already washed, Noah? 5. So we can go ahead and connect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those ones are already washed. So this number, the number left, is going to be the number that still need to get washed. How many, Camilla, still need to get washed? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we were writing an addition or subtraction sentence, we could either say 10 paintbrushes take away the 5 that she washed equals the 5 that still need to be washed. Or we could say 5 paintbrushes are washed plus 5 that need to be washed equals her 10 paintbrushes all together. So Alexa needs to wash 5 more paintbrushes. Thank you, Faith, for your help with that problem. Number 2, we're going to read about Kevin, and Isaac is going to read it for us very loud, Isaac, so the friends at home can hear.
Kevin needs 7 tickets for the boat ride.
Circle 7 tickets. Kevin needs 7 tickets. Keep going.
He needs 3 tickets for the slide.
He needs 3 tickets for the slide. Circle 3.
How many tickets does Kelvin need in all?
How many does Kevin need in all? So here they've drawn for us the parts. Okay? Here's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tickets that he needs to ride on the boat. Here's the 1, 2, 3 tickets he needs to ride on the slide. All together will tell us how many tickets he needs to get so he can ride both rides. So we can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for our total. Okay, so his 7 tickets plus 3 more tickets means he needs 10 tickets altogether. So Kevin needs 10 tickets in all. Okay? Victoria?
Can I do something else?
Oh, I would love that. So the next one is a write about it, and Victoria is going to read it nice and loud for us.
Jan has 4 bears.
I don't know what that is. It could be.
Hamster.
It does kind of look like a hamster, doesn't it? Okay.
Jan has 4 hamsters.
Everyone circle 4 hamsters.
She put them in 2 cages.
2 cages. Okay, circle 2 cages.
She does not put the same number in each cage.
Okay, not. That's important. Circle not same number in each cage. Okay, keep going.
How many are in each cage? Draw a bear
A bar model.
bar model to show how you know.
All right, so here are the 2 cages. You can just look up at the board. Here are the 2 cages. All right, she has 2 cages and she has 4 hamsters. So at the top, I'm going to put the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's her whole. She has 4 all together. Some of them go in this cage and some of them go in this cage, but she doesn't put the same amount in each cage. So if she put 2 and 2, that would work, but those are the same amount, so it can't be 2 and 2. So how many do you think she puts in this cage? Noah? 3? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then how many would that leave for the other cage? 1. So 3 in one cage plus 1 in the other cage equals 4 hamsters all together. Did we meet the criteria? They do not have the same in both cages, and the total is 4. Did he do it? Yeah. Nice job. Let's go to the top of the next page now. Okay, we're going to skip over the top here because that's just an explanation, but we don't need an explanation because I'm walking you through the problems. No, because you're blurting out, darling. You're not raising your hand. It says more practice at the bottom of 141, and Emily is going to read it nice and loud for us. Are those lightning bugs?
Lightning bugs. Make 5, 7 lightning. How many lightning bugs do they find in all?
All right, so Jamie finds 3, and they drew 3 in this box. Megan finds 7, and they drew 7 in this box. So how many do they find in all? We need to know how many are there all together. So we could either say 3 plus 7 equals some number, or we could say 7 plus 3 equals some number. So let's count them up and see how many there are all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lightning bugs all together. So you can fill in 10 on all 3 of those answer lines. They find 10 in all. Jamie's plus Megan's and Megan's plus Jamie's. All right, going to turn the page now to the top of 142, and Noah's going to put that sticker page away and read for us nice and loud about Chloe. Nice and loud, Noah. Some books. Everyone circle some books. That's a number we don't know. Keep going. Circle 5 books. Circle 2 more books.
How many books does
Chloe.
read in all?
Okay, so we don't know how many she read. That's what we're trying to figure out. But first she read 5, so that's here. And then she read 2, so that's here. So if we say 5 plus 2 more, that should tell us how many she read altogether. So let's count them up, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So altogether, first she read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then she read 6 and 7. So Chloe reads 7 books in all. What's up, Faith? Quickly. All right, Austin, nice and loud. Thank you for raising your hand. Would you read to us number 3 about Kyle?
Kyle has some paper clips.
Some small paper clips. Everyone circle some small paper clips. Okay?
Had 3 large paper
He has 3 large paper clips. Everyone circle 3 large paper clips.
He had 7 paper clips in all.
Everyone circle 7 paper clips in all.
How many small paper clips does
Kyle have. Perfect. Okay. So he has some. We don't know this number. Okay, it's a mystery number. I'm sorry, we don't know this number, how many small he has. But we know he has 1, 2, 3 big, and we know he has 7 altogether. So you can put your 7 there, that's the total. Then we have 1, 2, 3 large, 1, 2, 3. So we have to figure out how many small by making sure there's 7 up here. So I already have 1, 2, 3. So let's draw the rest. 4, 5, 6, 7. How many did I draw? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3 equals 7. So we had 7. We took away 3, and that left us with 4. So Kyle has 4 small paper clips and 3 big ones. All right, Mateo, read to us about Maya.
Maya has 8 purple pens. She puts them into cups. She does not put the same number in each cup. How many purple pens are in each cup?
Awesome. So we're doing the same thing we did with the other problem. Let's draw our part whole model here. She's got 8 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some of them are going into this cup. Some of them are going into this cup, but not the same amount. So how many could she put in each cup? Emily.
7 in 1 and 1 in the other.
Ooh, she could do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in one and 1 in the other. Okay, that would work. 7 plus 1. What else could she do? Austin.
She could put 5 in one box and 3 in the other.
Oh, she could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here and 1, 2, 3 there. So 5 plus 3 could work. What else could she do? Emma?
2.
Ooh, she could do 2 in this one. 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here. So 6 plus 2 could work. Is there anything else she could do? 7 and 1, 5 and 3, 6 and 2. She can't do 4 and 4 because 4 and 4 would give her the same amount, and it said they were different amounts. I think that's all she could do, right?
No.
'Cause
5.
4 and 5 make 9. She's got 8. So I think we figured them all out because 8 and 0 would not work because there's 0, and we know that there's some in each. And then 4 and 4 would equal 8, but it would not work because it tells us they're not the same. So she could either do 7 and 1, 5 and 3, or 6 and 2. Because all of those, if we add them up, equal her total, which is 8 purple crayons. Okay? Good job. All right, the next page, I'm going to have you work through the problems. Why is it frozen? Did it stop working again? Oh, no, but I'm frozen. That's so odd. I don't know. My hands aren't frozen, just my camera's frozen. My face is frozen, friends. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I want you to work through page 143 and 144 on your own so you get some practice before we review for the test. So go ahead right now, friends at home, and work through those problems on your own. Friends in the classroom, take a minute and work through them on your own, and we will see you later, friends at home. I promise I'm waving, even though for some reason I'm frozen down in the corner. Everyone say bye, friends at home.
Bye.